Flaxseed and garlic, two potent and versatile ingredients, bring a plethora of health benefits to the table. Let's explore the remarkable advantages of incorporating these nutritional powerhouses into your diet. Flaxseed, often hailed as a nutritional treasure, is packed with essential nutrients. Notably, it is an abundant source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that plays a crucial role in heart health. Garlic, known for its robust flavor and pungent aroma, offers a myriad of health benefits as well. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for many of its therapeutic properties. Allicin has potent antimicrobial properties, making garlic a natural antibiotic that can help combat infections. Regular consumption of garlic has been associated with a reduced risk of common illnesses like the common cold. When it comes to heart health, both flaxseed and garlic play significant roles. Garlic has been shown to lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides in the blood, reducing the risk of heart disease.